Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Arun Reddy Tech for You. In this video, we are going to discuss about printing options like page layout, margin, page orientation, size, adding header and footer, print previews, so on. So friends, if you don't want to miss my videos, please subscribe my channel Arun Reddy Tech for You and don't forget to like my videos. Coming to Excel, I have a student information table and I want to print. There is lot of data in Excel that is not going to fit in a single page. So very often we need to make adjustment before we are going to print. And two things will help us. First is page layout view. So let me go to the view and click page layout view. When I click page layout view, you can see how our data fitting on page, but we can also edit the data in the page layout view. Second thing is page layout tab. This gives a lot of options to setting up our page. First thing is first thing we want to do is to check whether our size is A4 size or not. So I choose A4 size because I want to print and my paper is A4 size. So I'll select A4 size. Second thing you want to do is orientation. You can see a line which shows the data is not fitting in the page. The two columns state and country are not in one page. So I just want to change my orientation. I will select landscape. Nice. Now you can see all my columns are fitting in one page. There is another option called margin which makes your data look good. By default it will be normal, and you can also select wide margins or narrow margin, or you can go for a customization. In customization, if you want to see your columns in middle, so you can select a horizontal and click OK. Nice. Now you can see your data is fitting in middle. And coming to the next option is print title. Suppose I want my table heading and column heading in every page. For example, you can see here 28. After 28, no, above the 28 I want my table name and column name. For the next page also I want my table name and column name. So for that I will click on print title. I will select the row to be repeat at top, and I will select the both the rows and go to the page setup and click OK. Nice. Let me check once. See, you can see here the heading of the page and column appears in every page. Nice, right? We can also have an option like adding header and footer in page layout view. So let me add a header. Let me give my channel name Arun Reddy Tech for You. So I will type Tech for You. You can also add, suppose if you want to add any pictures or logo of your channel, you can add. Nice, right? We have also a printing option. If you have, you can add. And I can also add footer. Just click on go to footer, and you can see here. Let me enter page number. So every page I want my page number, and I want to see how many pages are available in my whole Excel, so I can have number of pages too. So number of pages will help me to get the number of pages I have, and I will just see off. I will just keep off. So page of pages. So let us see how it will look. See, 1 is the page number and 4 is the number of pages. So 1 of 4. If we go to the next page, you can see 2 of 4. Nice, right? You can also add date or file name. For example, my file name is sample3. I can also add file name, path, or current date. Let me add current date. Nice. So let us see once how this header and footer looks. So you can see my name at the top, below page number and date, and next page again page my channel name. And you can also see the print title will help us to give a heading and column heading to every page. Nice, right? Now my page setup is ready to print. Before going to print, we have another option called print preview. So let me go to the file and click on print. Now you can see how your pages will print. For example, you can see here 1 of 4. So let me check second, third and fourth page how they look. This is a second page, this is a third page, and this is a fourth page. So total 4 pages are available. And you can, for example, you can see, suppose if you want to give each copy 4 pages, sorry, each page 4 copies, so you can enter a number 2. You can also increase or decrease, suppose 3 or 4, or you want 3, you can decrease. There is a second option, printer, which will allow you to select multiple printers. Suppose you have different printers available, so you can select. And you can also add printer by using add printer option. If you bought a new printer, you can also add printer by using add printer option. And you can also see next option is the settings. In this we have print active sheet, means that where the data is available. Print active sheet means where the data is available, so it is printing only 4. For example, if I select print entire workbook, then you can see 1 out of 61, so it will print 61. So I don't want entire worksheet, but I want only active sheet. For example, I don't want to print whole table, I just want only 10 people names, and that too serial number and name of the candidate. So I will just go back, I will select just I will select serial number, name of the candidate, and only 10 candidates I want. So I will select this one, I will go to file name, print, and here I will have an option called print select. And you can see only the option which I have selected is appearing on the print preview. Nice, right? So if you don't want and you want to print whole active sheet, then again you can go back to the active sheet. Nice. And you have some common options which we find in the page layout view, which are landscape orientation, like size A4, and margin, wide margin. And you have a number of scale. This what it will do, it will fit your columns and rows and entire sheet if you want to fit in one page. So I don't want all my rows in one page, so I left. Nice, right? And we have other option called pages. In this option, suppose you want to print only one page, so you can enter 1 to 1. Suppose you want only fourth, third and fourth page, so you can print starting third and next fourth. So it will print only 3 and 4, and how many copies? 3. So 2 pages, 3 copies, total 2 into 3, it is 6 copies. Nice, right? So whatever the page you want to print, you can type. If you are not entering anything, then automatically by default it will print the all the pages. Nice, right? So friends, keep practicing. Thank you.